How did you make your money? What if the most important question isn't how much money someone has made, but how they made it? The journey to building wealth reveals far more about a person's character and principles than the final number in their bank account ever could. The foundation of nearly every substantial fortune begins with value creation. Wealthy individuals typically identify a problem people experience and develop a solution worth paying for. This might be a product that saves time, a service that reduces stress, or knowledge that helps others succeed. The common thread is focusing on creating value for others rather than just making money for themselves. Most successful wealth builders understand the power of systems and scalability. They move beyond trading hours for dollars and instead create processes that can generate value without their constant direct involvement. This might mean building a business that can operate without their day-to-day presence, developing intellectual property that produces ongoing revenue, or creating investment systems that work automatically. The transition from active income to passive income streams marks a crucial turning point in any wealth journey. Another consistent pattern among those who build lasting wealth is their relationship with learning. They maintain student mentality throughout their careers, constantly acquiring new skills and knowledge. They read extensively about their industry, study financial principles, and learn from both successes and failures. This commitment to continuous education allows them to recognize opportunities others miss and avoid pitfalls that trap the unprepared. Financial discipline forms the bedrock of sustainable wealth. This doesn't mean living in deprivation, but rather developing conscious spending habits that align with long-term goals. Wealth builders typically live below their means during their accumulation years, not because they have to, but because they understand that every dollar saved is a soldier that can be deployed to work for their future. They distinguish between assets that put money in their pocket and liabilities that take money out. Successful wealth builders also master the art of opportunity recognition. They develop the ability to see potential where others see only risk. This doesn't mean being reckless. It means doing thorough research, understanding the fundamentals, and having the courage to act when the odds are in their favor. They understand that some of the best opportunities often appear during times of maximum pessimism, when others are too fearful to move forward. Perhaps the most overlooked aspect of wealth building is the network effect. Successful people understand that relationships are a form of currency. They build genuine connections with other ambitious individuals, mentors who can provide guidance, and potential partners who complement their skills. These relationships often lead to opportunities that wouldn't be available through solitary effort alone. The mindset of successful wealth builders deserves particular attention. They typically view money as a tool for creating freedom and options rather than as a scorecard. They understand that financial resources can buy the most precious commodity of all, time. This perspective helps them make decisions based on long-term fulfillment rather than short-term gratification. If you're beginning your own wealth-building journey, remember that every substantial fortune begins with a single step. Start where you are with what you have. Focus on providing genuine value to others. Develop financial discipline, commit to continuous learning, and build meaningful relationships. The wealth will follow as a natural byproduct of these habits. If this perspective on wealth creation resonated with you, we'd appreciate your support. Please like this video if you found it valuable, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on building lasting wealth through principles that stand the test of time.